Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2026 for safety, evidence, parking protection, or even cloud-connected monitoring, you're in the right place. Today, I've selected 5 of the most advanced dash cams available in 2026, featuring 4K recording, STARVIS 2 sensors, cloud connectivity, GPS, parking mode, and smart features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BlackVue DR970X 2CH LTE Plus. The BlackVue DR970X 2CH LTE Plus is a premium 2-channel 4K cloud dashcam designed for drivers who want real-time remote access. It features a 4K front camera, full HD rear camera, and a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor for outstanding night performance. Built-in LTE allows cloud access without your phone. This dashcam excels in image clarity and cloud reliability. The 4K footage is extremely sharp, making license plates easier to read even at highway speeds. The LTE feature allows instant notifications, live view, and automatic cloud backup during incidents. Parking mode is intelligent and energy efficient. Pros: 4K front plus full HD recording. Built-in LTE for cloud access. Excellent night vision with STARVIS 2. Auto cloud event backup. Reliable parking mode. Cons: expensive compared to standard dashcams. LTE requires a data subscription. If you want top-tier quality and real-time cloud monitoring, the BlackVue DR970X 2CH LTE Plus is one of the best dashcams money can buy in 2026. Number 2. BlackVue DR970X Box 2CH Plus. The DR970X Box 2CH Plus comes with a secure recording box unit that stores footage separately from the cameras. It features a 4K front camera, full HD rear camera, and the latest STARVIS 2 sensor, making it ideal for users concerned about footage tampering. This model is perfect for professional drivers or fleet vehicles. Even if someone damages or steals the cameras, your recordings remain safe inside the hidden box. Video quality is excellent, and BlackVue's cloud features and parking mode work smoothly. Pros: secure recording box protects footage. 4K plus full HD recording. Strong night vision. Cloud and GPS features. Clean and discreet camera design. Cons: installation is more complex. Higher price point. This is an excellent choice for maximum security, especially for taxis, rideshare drivers, or fleet vehicles. Number 3. BlackVue DR770X Box 3CH DMS Pro. The DR770X Box 3CH DMS Pro is a 3-channel dashcam system with front, rear, and driver monitoring cameras. It uses STARVIS sensors, includes a secure box storage, and supports optional LTE for cloud connectivity. What makes this dashcam special is the driver monitoring system. It can detect driver distraction or fatigue, making it ideal for commercial use. Video quality is solid, and the event buffer ensures critical moments are always captured. Pros: 3-channel recording, front, rear, driver. Secure box storage. Driver monitoring system, event buffer up to 10 seconds, fleet-ready features. Cons: overkill for casual users, more expensive than 2-channel systems. This dashcam is best for commercial drivers and fleets that prioritize driver safety and secure recording. Number 4. BlackVue Elite 9 4K 2K Dashcam. The BlackVue Elite 9 offers 4K front and 2K rear recording, dual HDR, and STARVIS 2 sensors. It supports up to 1 terabyte storage, includes a free hardware kit, and features a power-saving parking mode. This dashcam delivers a great balance of performance and value. The image quality is excellent day and night, and the large storage support means less worry about overwriting important clips. App control is smooth and user-friendly. Pros: 4K plus 2K dual-channel recording, supports up to 1 terabyte storage, strong night vision, free hardware kit included, power-efficient parking mode. Cons: no built-in LTE, slightly bulky rear camera. The Elite 9 is perfect for users who want premium video quality without paying for LTE features. Number 5. Escort Redline 360C and Escort M2 dashcam bundle. This bundle combines the Escort Redline 360C radar detector with the Escort M2 smart dashcam. It records HD video, offers AI-assisted filtering, and integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is a unique option for drivers who want both dashcam recording and radar detection in one ecosystem. The dashcam quality is solid, and the radar detector is among the best in its class for long-range alerts. Pros: dashcam plus radar detector combo, AI-assisted false alert filtering, CarPlay and Android Auto support, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Cons: dashcam video is not 4K. Very expensive bundle. If you want advanced driving awareness, not just recording, this bundle offers excellent value for performance-focused drivers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check the links in the description for today's best deals. See you in the next video.